A few people have asked me to do a bike check, so I thought this was as good a place as any. This is my Santa Cruz Hightower. I have it set up with 27.5 plus tyres. This is the CC model, so I bought the frame and then I built it up with the parts that I wanted. So it's a lighter weight carbon and I think higher strength as well. So I'll just show you up the Downtube. So sorry it's a bit dirty. Oh, there's Rusty in the background. The geometry is adjustable by this wee link here that you take out and flip over. So you see it's got a high and a low. So you run it in high if it's a plus wheel set, and you run it in low if you're running 29 wheels. The rear shock is the Monarch RT3, just had that service. Feels nice and plush. The forks I have fitted are the RockShox Pike, 150 mil of travel, and I have them stickered up to match the rest of the bike. This has the charger damper, and that's the Debonair fork. I've got a 1-up components dropper post. I have to say, very pleased with it. Beats the RockShox Reverb for ease of setup and ease of service as well. I wouldn't buy anything else now. So the 1-up post is controlled by this nice lever here. So that's tucked in underneath the bar out the way, stop it getting damaged in a crash. For the drivetrain, I have a 30-tooth race face, single ring setup with the turbine cranks and Hope orange pedals. Also have an MRP bash guard, so that's both upper chain device and bash guard underneath. So that's proven to be very useful so far. Got a Hope bottom bracket. At the rear we've got an E13 9-44 wide range cassette, and that's paired with an XT rear mech. At the front end we have Easton EA70 bars and also XT shifter. Moving on to the wheels and the brakes. The wheels are Hope Pro 4 hubs, and I have some Hope E4 brakes. Those are 4-pot brakes. This is just to show you the levers, so I've put an orange lever and some green adjusters and also a green top cat. And same down with the calipers here. I've put some orange bore caps and orange disc. For the rims I've chosen to run Easton Arc 40s, so these are 40mm wide, and I have a plus tyre on them, so Schwalbe knobby nick tyre. I find that to be a very good all-round tyre, and it's a 2.8 inch.